Good morning, friends. Today we are going to continue the next part of this particular nuclear chemistry. In the last lecture, two lectures, we have seen the application of the tracer technique. Also, what is the tracer techniques, how it is useful for investigation of the chemical reaction mechanism as well as the age determination by the potency carbon. Now today we are going to continue the next part of this unit, that is nothing but the nuclear reactions. It is also called as a nuclear transmutation. Nuclear reactions is a process in which a nucleus reacts with the another nucleus or element or any particle or photon or any other projectile in a time of 10 raised to minus 12 second or less to produce one or more nuclei. Nuclear transmutation is nothing but a process of converting one element into another element by bombarding it with a fast moving particles. It's called as the atomic transmutation or say artificial disintegration. Example is given over here. You can see you got this particular terms. What is a nuclear reaction? Means what is a transmutation? Transmutation is nothing but the process by which the one nuclei will convert into also one element, nuclei of one element will convert into nuclei of the another element by bombarding with the fast moving particles. Example is given alpha p type reaction. The name indicates that when such a type of reaction is given, like this alpha p, np type, pn type, alpha p, which indicates that alpha is bombarded on the target element and proton is rejected. Okay, here the example is target is nitrogen 714, on which the alpha is nothing but a helium-24 He24, which will be called as a projectile. It will use the another element is called as the recoil nucleus, and along with the some byproduct will be there, or that is the proton will be emitted, is called as the ejected particle. MCQ purpose of view, these terms are very much important. Now what is the target? What will be the target? Target is nothing but the parent element which is bombarded is known as the target. What is point? Target is nothing but the parent element which is bombarded is known as the target. What is the projectile? Projectile is nothing but a fast moving particle used for bombarding the parent element is called as the projectile. This is very much important as far as the MCQ is concerned. Okay. The next part, recoil nucleus. The new element from after the bombardment is called as the daughter element or say recoil nucleus. Then last one is the ejected particle. The other particle produced during the reaction is called as the ejected particles. Got these terms? What is that particular thing? First of all, we have seen the nuclear reaction, then the nuclear transmutation. Transmutation is nothing but a process in which one element will convert it into the other element by bombardment of the fast moving particles, called as the atomic transmutation or nuclear transmutation, or you can call it as the artificial disintegration. Here one example is shown, alpha p type. In that alpha p type, alpha is bombarded, alpha particle is bombarded. Okay, it will gives you the there will be the ejection of the proton. Target is the 7 nitrogen 14 is there, 7 and 14 is there, on which we are bombarding the alpha particle, that is a helium. Alpha particle is nothing but a helium, same as the helium nucleus. That's why it is given twice He4. Okay, which will gives you the recoil nucleus. Okay, along with the ejected particles. Okay, it is very much important again. Then here there are the four different terminologies used for the different thing: target, projectile, recoil nucleus, and ejected particles. What is the target? Target is nothing but the parent element which is bombarded is known as the target. Okay, then what is the projectile? The fast moving particle used for the bombarding The parent element is called as the projectile. Got this point? Then what is the recoil nucleus? The new nucleus or say new element formed after the bombardment is called as the daughter element or say recoil nucleus. What is the ejected particle? Something is ejected. Some particle is ejected or say other particle produced during the reaction is called as the which is called as the ejected particle. That you have to remember. Got this point? Then another one more important question is there, that give example of each transmutation of the projectile about by alpha particles, proton, deuterium and neutron. Transmutation by alpha particle. When alpha particle, that is a positively charged particle bombarded on the target nucleus, repulsive forces come into play and possesses energy barrier for its entry into the nucleus. There are the different types of this particular reaction: alpha P, alpha A. Okay, alpha P type of reaction is nothing but alpha particle act as a projectile and protons are given out, that is a ejected particles. You can take this reaction same whatever we have seen: nitrogen on which the helium is bombarded gives you the oxygen plus proton. That alpha N type of the reaction is nothing but alpha particle act as a projectile and the neutron are given out, means neutron will be the ejected particles. You can take the beryllium along with the alpha particle is there, then it will give you the neutron. Okay. Then transmutation by this alpha, you got what we are doing in the alpha type of the reaction. Alpha P or alpha N, we have seen these two examples. When alpha is bombarded, the ejected particle will be that particular proton or say neutron. Okay, depend upon this, there is a two types of the reaction by using the alpha particle. Okay, are you getting this point? Then transmutation by the proton, like alpha particle, proton also carry changes and hence will experience an energy barrier for their entry into the nucleus. There are the PN type, P alpha type, P gamma type, P deuterium type. There are the four different types for this particular proton bombardment. But today we will focus only this particular alpha transmutation by the alpha particles, where we have seen the two examples. One is alpha P type of the reaction and the alpha N type of the reaction. Please prepare it well. Please try to understand these things because it is very much important. As you know about this particular thing, it is very much important as far as the exam is concerned, because this question will be there in the exam based on this particular artificial disintegration or say atomic or say nuclear transmutation. You have to prepare it well, because this once you got well, then you can write the another. Okay. Are you getting this concept? Yes. Very simple it is. Okay. Please try to understand this concept. If you are not getting this point, we can revise it again. Very simple. It is a transmutation by the alpha particle. What is the transmutation? Transmutation is nothing but a conversion. One nuclei will convert into the another nucleus. One element will convert into the another element by bombarding with the suitable fast moving particle. Okay, that you have to remember. It is very simple. Again, the concept is very simple. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.